It is 6 o'clock and currently on WJBF Live Viper 6 radar, just a few light showers mainly across Orangeburg, Bamberg, even Allendale. The rest of the viewing area is dry. Good evening. You're watching WJBF News Channel 6, where you always get your most accurate forecast first by 8 o'clock. Just partly cloudy, no rain. Temperatures at 82, 6-day forecast straight ahead. It was a nice warm day here across Georgia and South Carolina. And now we take a live look in from the Jiffy Lube Skyview Network camera. We traveled to the coast, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where Tropical Storm Ana is churning just offshore. Again, Ana is about 65 miles southeast currently of Myrtle Beach. Right now on WJBF Live Viper 6 radar, here's the latest stats on Tropical Storm Ana. Again, maximum sustained winds are at 60 miles per hour, and the storm is still moving very slowly to the northwest at around 3 miles per hour. We expect Ana to make landfall in between Myrtle Beach and just south of Cape Lookout very early tomorrow morning, again as a tropical storm. So tonight's weather headlines will continue to track Tropical Storm Ana. Temperatures will be heating up. We're talking about 90s in the 6-day forecast. Also, rain and storms ahead. We'll break it all down in your 6-day forecast in just a bit.
Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live Viper 6.
Good evening and thanks for watching. Take a look at that nasty shelf cloud. Severe storms fired up across Oklahoma yesterday. This is a time lapse of a shelf cloud that moved through Carnegie, Oklahoma, and they are once again in the firing line today. The Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma is forecasting more severe weather with the possibility of, unfortunately, more tornadoes. Also very large hail and some damaging winds. Thankfully, we didn't have to deal with anything like that today. Your forecast coming up for the evening, not bad at all. We'll see a few clouds by 8 o'clock tonight. Temperatures at 82, so still very warm. Going to be a warm night tonight. By 10 o'clock, temperatures at 76, and by midnight, just a few clouds, temperatures at 70 degrees. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies currently as we take a live look in from the Jiffy Lube Skyview Network camera, looking down Washington Road towards Alexander Drive. All's nice and quiet, but still warm. 84 degrees with a dew point of 58, and the winds now north at 8 miles per hour. Right now on WJBF Live Viper 6 radar, the only live radar here in the CSRA, we are picking up just a few sprinkles thanks to Tropical Storm Ana in Bamberg, as well as Allendale, and also just to the southwest of Columbia. All this is drifting off to the west, so maybe our western line counties will pick, or our eastern line counties will pick up some rain, but just a few sprinkles and nothing more than that. Here's the latest now on Tropical Storm Ana. Remember, this storm yesterday was subtropical, but again, we had that development on the eastern side of the storm, and you can see the storm also getting better defined. Again, it will not gain hurricane force strength as we head towards the next couple of days or so before it makes landfall, but still maximum sustained winds at 60 miles per hour, putting the storm about 65 miles southeast of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and that's expected where it's going to make landfall. We still have more heavy weather back to the west, showers and storms around Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas, even Little Rock, as all this continues to march off to the east. And again, we'll start to see some rough weather as we head towards Monday and Tuesday. But back to the latest on Tropical Storm Ana. Right now, here's a look at some of the sea surface temperatures. Still very warm, not in the 80s, which we normally see around this time, but still in the upper 70s, which is not bad. Here's a look at the watches and warnings in effect. A tropical storm watch remains in effect from Edisto Beach all the way to South Santee River in South Carolina, and then a tropical storm warning just south of Myrtle Beach all the way to Morehead City around North Carolina. So here's the latest forecasted track for Tropical Storm Ana, moving inland as we head towards very early tomorrow morning. Basically, again, as a tropical storm hitting Myrtle Beach and then moving inland, moving to the north and to the northeast, and basically downgraded to a tropical depression as we head throughout the day on Monday. Current temperatures now at Augustus Busch Field, mostly cloudy, 83 with a dew point of 60, and the winds now north at 7. Currently across Georgia and South Carolina at 90 in Albany, but notice current temperatures in Charleston at 76 and Myrtle Beach with a current temperature of 79. As far as overnight lows, let's take a look at some of the wind speeds right now out of Myrtle Beach, out of the west at around 19, and here at 7 miles per hour in Augusta, so not that bad. Lows tonight down to the lower 60s for us, upper 60s for lows in the Midlands. As far as highs tomorrow, we'll heat it up to 89 tomorrow, 90 in Macon, and 90 for the afternoon high tomorrow in Hazelhurst, Georgia. So let's take a look at the forecast map as we are in between two systems. We've got Tropical Storm Ana just off the South Carolina coastline, and also that big mess across portions of Texas. But for us tonight, we'll see just partly cloudy skies, no chance of rain tonight with the exception of a few sprinkles for our eastern line counties. Then as we head throughout the day tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. There's about a 10% chance of just some light rain as Ana moves to the east and then to the northeast as we head throughout the day on Monday. Early Monday, not bad, just a little on the cloudy side. Then we'll start to see storms developing as we head towards Monday afternoon. So for the overnight, clouds Warm, lows down to 62. For tomorrow, sun and clouds, also warmer with a high of 89. There is about a 10% chance of an isolated shower. Also breezy tomorrow. Winds will be north at around 10 to 15. Monday, 50% chance of showers. After around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it is going to be hot and muggy too, 90 degrees. Tuesday, 40% chance showers and storms, 92. Then one dry day Wednesday with a high of 88.
Certainly looking a lot like spring there. Thanks a lot, John. A group of moms is marching on Washington this Mother's Day weekend. What message they want to take to the U.S. Justice Department? That story straight ahead.